Traders, Manny Cabrera here, founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Friday, July the 2nd. We quickly jump to our news reports for this morning, and all morning long the market's been kind of waiting around for the jobs information. As we can see, here it is. It's a mixed bag, although we added more non-farm payroll jobs. The unemployment rate inched up about 0.3%, and obviously the market is kind of reacting accordingly if you look at what's happening right now in our daily chart, which we're going to begin with that. And as you can see, the market just popped up into another all-time high. Again, we had a little bit of better volume, but still way below our average of 1.1 million minimally that we're looking for on ATR over 14. ATR continues to move lower and lower, which is compressing our ranges, which is providing for less extensions in our targets. Also, the volume contributing to the speed and the actual efficiency of the market. The market is just churning around, trying to move in a direction. It has a bias to a particular direction, but it's not doing it in the most effective way, which creates a little bit of a challenge emotionally for some traders. That's why the discipline, focus, and obviously patience is really, really important during this time. Let's look a little bit more behind these numbers once again as we close the week. Remember, we closed another record June in reference to ahead of the game. Here's where we started with our all-time high. We have a new all-time high. That swing is basically all based on the way that the market is behaving as we speak. The market is just trying to digest all of the jobs information so far, but nonetheless, same familiar pattern. A lot of choppiness. You see a lot of grindiness, but the direction is clear. Grindiness, but the direction is clear. Grindiness, but the direction is clear. I had a webinar that I did yesterday, and I spoke to our traders from our trade desk, and we spoke about it. We spoke about the fact that, we all concur. If the market wants to go in a direction, it's going to go in a direction come hell or high water. Whether it has volume, whether it doesn't have volume, it's just going to move there. Our job as traders is to recognize this, adapt to the environment, and try to make sure that we dance at the same pace that the market is playing. And we have to make that adaptation. Otherwise, you're going to get run over. And it sounds almost like craziness to say you're going to get run over by a slow market, but you can get run over by any market, so you have to be patient in these summer markets. I don't foresee any immediate change in the conditions unless something absolutely crazy happens. As a matter of fact, when I started this morning kind of doing my analysis, this is where the all-time high was, so just in a matter of minutes. As a matter of fact, I think this was right around 9th. I started right about this time, and at about 8, I started doing my analysis, and look where we are so far. So this is our new all-time high. Excuse me here. This is our new all-time high, and as you can see, this is where we are right now. We are actually intraday high, intraday low, clear trend to the upside. Here we have a trend which is continuing to hold the markets up. Here's our current and immediate support line, our north-south line, as we like to call it. What we're looking at is participating in longs any way on retesting this area. We're looking for longs. Of course, we have a lot of possibilities. The market can continue higher to retest the all-time high here. Remember, we have potentially a run here. Here's our top, potentially looking for a bottom for consolidation. It's been doing that continuously. Here's your run, little consolidation, run, little consolidation, run, much larger consolidation, run. And so we'll see what happens. I am not too keen on this market today. I need to see some real clear breakouts potentially above the all-time high, and or a decided retracement, something much deeper, something much to this area here, potentially probably we're talking about a support level here. Potentially, let's come retest this level here, and then do this here. Combination of the two, either come test up here or test down here, and of course the break down here would be the most interesting play to me. We haven't had any kind of significant down movement in the last week or so, so that's pretty much what I'm looking for. Anything to the upside is going to be slow and grindy, and it's going to test your patience. Just be ready for that. And friends, just please place your stops first. Take care. Have a great weekend. See you next time.